Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the app ready. Open Google Keep or Samsung Notes, or install one now from the Play Store. Give the app permission to access storage and the microphone so you can attach files or record. Sign in with your Google or Samsung account to enable syncing across devices. This is why syncing matters, so you never lose a note. Once done, tap the plus or new note button to create your first entry and begin typing immediately. You now build useful notes. Give each note a clear title so you can search later, and apply labels or colors to group related items. Add content beyond text. Tap the image icon to attach photos, use the mic to record quick voice memos, or switch to checklist mode for tasks. Use reminders or time-based alerts for follow-ups. These ensure you act on items when needed. Make sure to pin or move essential notes into folders so they stay visible at the top. To finish strong, you edit and share effectively. Tap to modify text, use version history or restore from trash if you delete something, and set share permissions before inviting collaborators. Export a note as a PDF or text file when you need a portable copy, and share via link or email for teamwork. If syncing or saving breaks, try toggling the account, clearing the app cache, and rebooting. If that fails, reinstall the app to resolve corrupted data. This usually fixes persistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.